Alrighty guys, I'm gonna show you how to crack your back. So you remember in school when you would bend back on the desk and absolutely shatter your back? It's the same thing, right? So get an edge of a surface. I'm using the bathroom sink. Put your shoulder blades right above it. So put it right below your shoulder blades. And you're gonna lean back with your back while keeping the neck loose and pushing forward like this. So you're gonna come back and push forward. Now listen. Alright.
Let's try this.